Hello YouTube, this is my new folding camp stove. Folding camp slash backpack stove. And of course the train is there to greet us, so I should be down at the track cooking some beef stew out of the can or something. Anyway, I've had this out once before because everything had separate plastic bags and I want to make it easier for the video here. So we're trying to do the best with the lighting. We're still learning. We got bright lights coming in the window. That's your rack on top. And bear with me when it comes unfolding this. I practiced this last night a few times. So it was left over right. I do not know if that's how it came. Okay. We'll show how this goes. We'll just take it separate. Okay. There's two ways you can do this. This bottom tray that holds your charcoal or your wood can go down here or here, right? Or you can flip it upside, well, not upside down. You can flip it here like if you have an alcohol stove or something, you want to get the fire closer. We're going to do it this way. We can do it our own way. And we'll just put it in the top one. It takes a little bit of fidgeting to do this. But once you learn it, it's not bad. I mean, I just fidgeted a little bit with it. Kind of up close here. Take you up a little bit more. Good. We're still learning light and everything. Here's your little grate where you can put your charcoal on. We may get some of that stuff you just light in the bag. I don't really like the smell of it. But maybe just get the wood started. You know, have like maybe half a dozen of them in it. And over here, I don't know if you can see this, you got some slots here. Can you see the slots there? I want to make sure everybody can see this. See that? Here's your little grate on top. And this is $20-some on Amazon, made by Uni-Gear. I really like it. I missed my Sterno stove I had years ago, which I do have. I miss using it. And Sternos, we all know, is not the greatest heat source, but this would be more for just small sticks, maybe some good-sized chunks of wood. And I'll probably be this far away from it. But if you bear with me here, don't knock over that. I will get out my little skillet, which I've never used. It came with a brownie mix. Okay? And I haven't used it yet. And the measurement on this is, I have a little square, like 4-inch pan from Walmart Lodge. That's 6-inch. I have a 6-inch Wagner ware skillet. Bear with me. We're getting back in the chair here. Said, we're not no professionals. We have fun making our videos, so. There you go. That'll give me an idea. Have that on there. We'll measure this a little more exact, because you know how skillets are in pans. The inside's like 5.5, 6 inch outside. Probably like 6 1/4. So let's say roughly 6-inch pan on here. So that's what I wanted. Because if you watch my videos, you know I have a collection of small stuff. Little square one you can make grilled cheese sandwich in. An old, which I'll probably use this for a griddle. Excuse me. Said there's no time to edit. We're not pressed for time. We just want to get all these videos made. We have a saw coming up in the next video. So there you go. It's kind of cute if I have to say. Here, we'll move it back and get a little more distance. So we got our old kitchen table here. Black poster board. We got a towel on here. That's pretty enough to take a picture of. Said you got your stuff on the outside like this. So I said it's kind of a practice video with the new camera too. So you're all getting your first looks at the new camera that we got a while back. Very nice pouch. I mean, this is a nice pouch. And I sit here in the house and I bet I run this zipper 100 times. I mean, I went back and forth. So I figured if it actually got better. A very nice little pouch, okay? We'll just disassemble it real quick. Let's see if we can remember it. I do not know how it came packed. I swear it was packed different. I swear this is over here. And we said left over right. See? There is a difference how this folds. Let's get your camera. See that? There's a difference how this folds when you set that there. So, this could have been over here, but this is how I'm going to fold it. This won't fit inside. I've already tried it, trust me. But I like that. I do not know the gauge of stainless steel. Like I said, I got on Amazon. You put in Uni-Gear. There's one called Yoder or whatever. But the difference of it is that I can see. I'm not saying there's any difference in the quality. I think Uni-Gear, when you go to their little store, they sell both. They put a small piece of stainless thing that goes in the front. I didn't need that. I didn't want that. So, this is what I wanted. I got what I wanted. But I never really realized that until I watched the video on it. And I read somebody's comment. Oh, you're going to use your triangular or whatever they call that. Someone's going to correct me. Triangular or any alcohol stuff. You can put it up here. So, that's long enough. We rambled on long enough. Might get a better towel. I'm hiding behind the camera. I am in a couple of videos. I just don't like putting my old ugly mug on camera. That's why everybody knows me. I just show me my hands with the skeleton gloves. A video I did on paracord, you'll see that. But there you go. Long enough video. Hope y'all enjoyed it though, because this is going to be a fun thing to play with. It really is. Very useful though for backpacking. I mean, I don't care what it weighs. This will fit in my backpack. I'm not going to walk any more than a block or somewhere where I go backpacking, picnicking during the day. With that, we rambled on long enough through this, but at least you got to see me play around all this stuff while I'm yakking. So, thanks for watching.